Kyle, and
Vehicles.
I'm here today with both classes. They're both TLRs. My first one is my 22X4. I'll be running her today in the 4-wheel drive buggy class. Next I'll be running my 4-wheel drive SCT. She's fast. Hoping to win today. It's my third time here, so looking to place this time. And that's all I'm doing today. You know, enjoying my time at the track. Waiting to go to mine when it's done. Hope to see you guys there.
At Prototype RC, Dover, Delaware.
RC, Dover, Delaware. You know, come check us out.
Hey, I'm Teron. I'm running in 2 classes today. I'm doing 2-wheel short course. I'm gonna be running with the stadium trucks, and 4-wheel short course. That's about it. This is my second time here at Proximity. So I placed last time. I'm trying to place again this time.
There you go.
Racing out here at Proximity RC. Racing 2 classes, the 2-wheel stadium truck with the Schumacher Storm, and a 4-wheel buggy class with the Techno EBT4. Happy to be here. Love to see you guys out here too. So come on out and let's have some good fun.
Hi, I'm Dudley. I'm at Proximity. I'm running the 4-wheel drive class, the Techno EB410. You guys need to come out and race. We need more people. Thanks.
How you doing? I'm Jose Cruz. I'll be racing in 4 classes today. 4-wheel drive buggy, 2-wheel drive buggy, 4-wheel drive short course truck, and 2-wheel drive stadium truck. Having a great day.
Hello, I'm Justin. I'm running 10th scale 2-wheel drive buggy today. It's X-Ray XP2D, and 4-wheel drive buggy. This is a HB Racing D418.
Alright, my name is Isaac. I'm here racing 3 classes, 4-wheel drive short course, 2-wheel drive stadium truck, and 4-wheel drive buggy.
I'm Rob, racing today at Proximity RC. I got my 2-wheel drive associated buggy. Just out here looking to turn some good laps.
My name's Sean, and I'm actually a mechanic for Sean. We're out of Salisbury. This is Sean right here.
How's it going?
Running a TLR.
22X4.
Jose.
All right.
And
I think
definitely needs some more
the
adjustments.
hot lap right now is at 26.
All right, let's get it going.
Yeah. My name's Sean Snyder. I'm at Proximity RC right now, and I'm running 4-wheel drive buggy and 4-wheel drive 10th scale truck. This is the Techno ET4 10.2.
I'm Logan Matty. I'm running at Proximity RC, and I'm running an associated T6.2.
Hey, I'm Ray Walker. I'm out here at Proximity RC and just having a good time running some good outdoor off-road dirt. Got my XV2 and see how it goes.
I get a feeling it's going to be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly friends.
Okay, ready with 26.9 fast lap. Rob, 30. Justin, 34. Jose Cruz, 41. Come on, Jose Petty. Rob. Good driving, Rob. Good driving, bro. two-wheel drive buggy. Get more traction on that slow way in. Hey, you made him mad now, Jose. Let's go by. We go keep running. Rob, you can hit him with a 30.68. Good job, man. Good job. What you doing there, Jumper Winnie? What you doing back there on X-Ray? Somebody might have to get a breathalyzer. And the yellow. Oh, Rob, you hit him with a 29.9 on that last one, bud. That's a pretty sight on that back triple single there.
Jose must be recognized. Get ready, get ready.
You know, we have to catch the classic here, fellas. Two X-rays out there, you got a TLR, Rob, you got associated.
Oh, you helped them.
Too much outdoor.
I mean, everybody looks good together, but there's no time to represent that. That's up to 31.26 carries. AJ is 31.63 on the last lap. The pace is like Ray's on 17 lap pace, Rob's on the 15, Justin's on the 14, and Jose's on the 14. Justin's in third now. Jose's back in third. Oh, nice there, Ray. Nice one, buddy. Another 25, Ray. Last 10, get it 29. Justin over with the 31 2, hit Joe. Jose, 31 60 there. Oh, boy, Ray got that back jump over there straight there. Yeah. Jose had 31 2 now. Justin just had a 36 5 there on that guy. 14 block. Run the place for 14 anyway.
Time over. Finish your last lap.
Jose's done. Rob Batty's done. Dr. Young's done.
Race complete.
Good drive, bro. We gonna get it.
Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. Wait, ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. Wait, ride out together. Is you ride? Is you with all the burglarizing and the violence? If Jimmy got caught up, but you was right there with him. So the police asked you questions, you gon' keep quiet. Is you loyal? Is you real? Is you fake? When I can't tell, that's the type of way that I hate. You got that fake friend syndrome. It's no cure, so your symptoms is gon' show. You know the code. Stick around, hold it down, never fold. Like it's a crease up in your pinky brains. Hold up. Each one teach one. Motivate each one to be some. I ain't just another statistic. I do this, this, and that. You wanna get specific. I'm just trying to make the leg go quick. For me and my day, one hit it. My life be like, ooh, yeah. My life be like, ooh, yeah. My life be like, my life be like times like these that make me say, Lord, let me see you please come my way. Like even breadcrumbs roll and I stray. I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. My heart feels like me, more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I do. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds of bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and gritting this high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind. Thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm falling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior. Have me lost in our speed.
50 seconds remaining, still lots of time for any mistakes being made. Kick up move, rounding the pipe. Keith needs a little bit of help getting back over after double-double. Oh, Logan needs some help in the back, that's your leader. Oh, they need some help out of the double-double. Everybody decided to have... Oh, Logan's body is a little jacked up, but he'll be fine. Just throw it down there. Let's just tuck in on this one. He's good. Oh, Logan needs some help. He needs to be on the other side of the track by the triple. And what has this done? It's let Ike just grab the lead. but we still have lots of time remaining. We have 2:45 remaining. Ike's now takes the lead. Logan in second. Jose in third. Steve in fourth. Mason's out. Steve in fifth. Who wants to go? Hogan's over again. Gonna give Ike some cushion. There's still 2 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Making the double-double. Logan over the field top, about to get the double-double. Oh, Logan is making a step. Ike through the triple. Logan through the triple. Ike's going to have a good back second lead. A little bit more. 1:30 remaining. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. Logan is off the track. That's going to give Ike even more of a lead. Jose, this is your leader. Play nice. I love it. That's first and fifth. Jose, if they're playing that, we're going to have to take it back. No, it was good. It was good. I like to see. Nice double. Lots of time. Well, not so much lots of time. We got 45 seconds remaining. Anything can happen. So right now, if Ike follows Jose, he's golden. He does not need to do anything special. He just needs to keep it clean. And he's good. Logan, he's good. Big beat, pull out those hot laps. Let that go. Ike being very conservative through the double-double, which is smart. We got 13 seconds remaining, so that means Ike will get through the line. Will Logan get through the line? 5 seconds remaining. Logan, you gotta make it through.
Time over.
Logan, you're caught at the line. Ike is on a victory lap. Just barely, Logan. Just got caught at the line. Yeah, 8:01. Just barely got caught at the line. Ike's on a victory lap.
Hey,
It's
a victory
a
play.
victory lap. He's already got the win. Jose's finished. He's finished. Ike's finished. And that's a race.
Race complete.
Ike in first, Logan in second, Jose in third. The hot lap.
Yeah, my whole goal is a poet's to be relaxed and orbit at war with a bottle as Captain Morgan attacks my organs. My slow flow is euphoric, it's like I rap endorphins. I made a pact with the devil that says I'll let you take me, you let me take a shovel, dig up the corpse and jack a fork. Go back and forth, more beef than you can pack a fork in. I'm living the life of the infinite enemy down. My tenement chimney now, the semi serenity pounds, spin them around, entering in the vicinity. Now I was calling him in, but he threw in a candy and ate the rap. Let's shoot him up and spit it him out. Cockety up, now get down. Give it around this club and it looks like people are having a shit fit now. Yeah, let it the trailer train, take a look who's back and tip the town. This not a motherfucker, fuck them all. He's just a whole motherfucking wall. I'll get it down every time he comes up around. And he came to the clubs tonight with 5-9 to hold this bitch down. Like a motherfucking sink in the water, he's trying to tip the drown. Shorty, when you dance, you got me captivated. Just by the way that you keep licking them dicks like a lips, I'm agitated, aggravated. To the point you suck my dick and you're gonna get decapitated. Otherwise, you don't fucking give me head, then I'ma have to take it. And after taking that, I'ma catch your case. It's gonna be fascinating. This gon' say that my rap ain't passed away on top of the affidavit. Graduated from master debater / massive masturbator to Michael Jackson's activator. Meaning I'm on fire off the top. Might wanna back up data. Rolling over hip hop in a verbal tractor trailer. Homie, they sick. You can normally ask a hater. Don't it make sense? These shell cases is just like a bag of paper. Dropped in the lap of his activator. Homie, they spit. I'm big that I drop like a sack of potatoes. What run on the calculator? Percolator. This party. Be my penis ejaculator later. Tell your boyfriend that you just dropped paid. You rolling with a player. You won't be exaggerating when you say it. Living life in the fast lane.
Dang. Oh.
Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Somebody broke in and cleaned out your crib. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Just bought a new pair and they scuffed your shoes. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Now them cops trying to throw you in them county blues. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Talk about gats, traps, cops and robbers. It's 911. Please call the doctor. Evacuate the building and trick the pigs. Since everybody want a piece, we gon' split your wig. See some fools slipped up and overstepped their boundaries. You about to catch a cold, stay the fuck around me. Your peeps talk about what kind of shit she on. You'll disappear like poof. Bitch, be gone. You think 12 gon' catch me? Give me a break. I'm supercharged with a hideaway license plate. It seems they wanna fingerprint me and give me some years. They'll only get one finger while I'm shifting gears. I got suede on my roof, wood grain on the dash, sheepskin on the rug, golden grain in the stash. Hydraulics all around, so I shake the ride. We go front, back, and side to side. Some punk just tripped up and made you spill your drink. Tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. Now your car just stopped on an empty tank. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If you got late bills and you lost your job, tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. If you about to get drunk and you ready to mob, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Let's take it to the streets, cause I'm ready to cruise. Just bought me and my cars all some brand new shoes. And the people just there, so I love to park it. And I just put a computer in the glove compartment. With my pedal to the floor, radar in the grill. TV in the middle of my steering wheel. It's my car's birthday, so we blowing them candles. Most speakers in the trunk than my ride can handle. Got my name in the headrest, read it and weep. Nas tank in the back, camel hair on the seat. And when I pull up to the club, I get all the affection. Cause the women love the pain and they can see their reflection. I'm about to take off, so F what you heard. Because my side mirrors flap like a fucking bird. And for the fools, we gon' clock one, then we'll pop one. Cause my folk riding shotgun with a shotgun. You just got hustled for a wad of cash, man. What you gon' do? Act a fool. Now your friends just smoked up your brand new stash. Say what you gon' do? Act a fool. Now them girls up the block still running their mouth. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If anybody talk bad about the dirty South, tell me what I'm gon' do. Act a fool. I got my eyes wide shut and my trunk wide open. Did donuts last week in the street, still smoking. See, I'm off the antifreeze and my car is tipsy. On the off-ramp, doing about 150. Rolling through East Burn on my way to Ben Hill. Slide a 5 to the junkie to clean my windshield. Got the whole crew riding and we starting shit. I even got a trailer hitch with a barbecue pit. And now all you wanna do is get drunk and pout. Plus your new name is Fire cause we stoned you out. And yeah, we blow trees and bees, that's fantastic. So girls, hold your weed while I'm weaving through traffic. I kick the fifth gear and tear the road apart. You'll be like Lil John Q and get a change of heart. It's one mission, 2 clips, and some triple beams. I'm about to blow this whole shit up to smithereens. The potholes in the street just bent your rims. Tell me what you gon' do? Act a fool. Man, that ain't sticky, that's sticks and stems. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Catch your man with another bitch up in your bed. Ladies, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If the bottle's all gone and your eyes are red, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Too fast, too furious, too fast. Act a fool. Too fast, too furious, too fast. Act a fool. Too
3, 2, I got one shot. You lose the love and respect, that's where the trust stop. New work, top drop. I roll up every 15 minutes like a bus stop. And you can smell the sound smoking when I burn out. And you can catch me riding dirty, but my car not. It's love and loyalty into my heart lock. Never turn your back, won't know how I turn it out. I said it once, I'll do it again. I'm playing the game, I do it to win. With you and your friend, that's living there. It's me and my team, you know we gon' win. You know we gon' ball, you know we gon' rise to the wheels fall off. You know we gon' stick to the goal, we can think about y'all. I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. Give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Hey, hey, for the family. Hey, hey, all for the family. Family, family, family.
Am I winning? Why would I go hard for? Swinging on the green like I'm trying to get a paw for. You ain't sitting at my table, hope you stall. Follow me, pushing my buttons as you starting on my call. Pressure make it diamond, that pressure make me a star. Got a method to my man to bring me them out of ball. People always asking me how I got this far. My response is just to keep it honest and be who you are. Now they call me Mrs. Money, I got mad to the moolah. Just to measure my success, I need at least 100 rulers. Glory, hallelujah, I'ma take that as a church. I'ma finish like I started it, and still got it worked out.
I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. Give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Hey, hey, for the family.
I'm with the gang, 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 and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, 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 and you so below us. Bet your hoes you know us, cause you know we glowed up. Stay down, you came up, you came up. You stay down, you came up, you came up.
I'm a villain that's winning. With precision, I'm killing. Represent the religion. Ended up independent. Took my car to the clinic. Let them check all the vitals. Middle finger to rival. Michael Jackson, my idol. Still ducking the pothole. Talk to the plug every day except Cinco de Mayo. I still got me a Carlo. Still got money, Carlo. Your car running so bad, it's think of the Apollo. Call my Rollie a Rollo. Call my AP a Al. I ain't talking seat belts when I say that I'm strapped. I'm in love with my side hoe. I sneak it through the side door. I'ma show you what we ride for. I'ma show you what we die for.
Gang, 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 and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, 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 and you so below us. Bet your hoes you know us, cause you know we glowed up. Stay down. Came up, came up. Stay down. Came up, gang up.
I'm in my same lane, it ain't gon' ever change. I blow the brain out the range like a Taz Angel. It's R.I.P. the car, walk on home, you got the stain. No, we had your vein on us, now we got stains on us. And all we gotta do is stay down and come on while they flexing. Yeah, I got a envy you, she Western. Yeah, just as his one of your best friends. When that Fast and Furious started nesting. Hey, I'm about to go take over, yeah. Did you stand? Is you rolling like a stroller? Yes. You ready to take over like a 1980 Coke? Yes. He on the Instagram shit or you gon' post it?
I'm with the gang, 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 and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, 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 and you so below us. Bet your hoes you know us, cause you know we glowed up. Stay down. Came up, came up. Stay down. I got exactly what you need. Came up, gang up.
I'm always with my gang. We always ready to ride, cause for the squad we'll do anything. Stay down, we'll never change. We always gon' stay the same. Put you in check when you out of place. I try to tell them not to mess with my gang, gang, gang. We do what we gotta do and don't complain, blame, blame. On the road, I'm probably fresh up off the plane, plane, plane. Know you worried about me, I do my thing, thing, thing. I got the word on my back. I put your girl on her back. I did it all on my own. Now there ain't no turning back. And my whole sprung on my back. And shorty so bad, I asked her if she repped the gang. She said facts. Gang, 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 gang.